Hi you guys, it's Sally and welcome back to our channel. So if you guys don't know this, 2 days ago it was the Met Gala and I was low-key actually really obsessed with Megan Fox's red dress. And so I'm really excited because we actually just launched our new decoration kits yesterday. And so today I'm actually going to show you guys a really easy, super simple nail look inspired by Megan Fox's Met Gala dress. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. The product that we are going to be using today is the Decor kit, the one that's called Saffron Spices. It's super bling, it's super red, and I absolutely love the kit. So let's go ahead and jump right into it.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. You pick the station, sunrise, no destination, no lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.